everyone is talking about the iOS 26 hidden reminder trick, there is a much bigger problem hidden in your settings. If you just updated to iOS 26, you've probably noticed your iPhone battery is dying way faster than usual. Well, Apple added a new feature called adaptive power that is a total battery killer. It's draining your battery life by running AI tasks in the background that you don't even need. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to find it and fix it. Let's get into it. Open Settings. First, open your Settings app. Battery menu. Scroll down and tap on Battery. The Power Mode menu. Now, look for the new menu called Power Mode. Tap into that. The change. Inside, you'll see the adaptive power switch. This is the main setting causing the drain. To save your battery, make sure this is turned on. This tells your iPhone to stop wasting power on background. By turning this on, your iPhone stops scanning your eyes every second, which gives you about 45 minutes of extra battery life every day. It makes a huge difference. If this helped your battery, drop a comment with the word SAVED and let me know what your percentage is right now. Make sure to subscribe because I'm showing you that 2-second reminder trick in the very next video. See you then.